The OTC is here.
The following contest is a fatal four-way tag team match. Introducing first, from Pensacola, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds, the OTC, Roman Reigns.
After all Reigns has been through, he is still a force to be reckoned with.
Roman Reigns still has the power and the determination to plow through anything that gets in his way.
And whatever you do, do not call it a comeback. Roman returned every bit as dominant as ever before. This is what they mean when they say aura.
Roman Reigns once again acknowledged by the WWE Universe.
And a little advice to anyone who may share the ring with Roman, it's best served that you do the same. First, Saxton, you should never yeet, but the WWE Universe and main event Jay can.
It's on me. And from San Francisco, California, weighing in at 242 pounds, main event, Jay Uso.
You look at what Jey Uso has done away from the bloodline, and he is definitely worthy of the main event moniker.
First man in over 3 years to pin Roman Reigns. Nearly defeated the Tribal Chief. Went on and earned multiple titles without his family.
But Jay will not be happy until he is on top of the mountain all by himself.
The crowd is on their feet for Jey Uso.
Michael, they're not just on their feet, they're all eating.
He is the alpha male of our species.
And Lesner looking to dominate.
And from Minneapolis, Minnesota, weighing in at 295 pounds, Lesner.
Guys, talk about an intimidating individual.
Yeah, Lesnar has no clue what remorse is. Just pure bloodlust.
A true beast in every sense of the word.
Just take a look at the Beast incarnate, in the best shape of his career. More focused than ever. More dangerous than ever.
Quite simply, Brock Lesnar cannot be stopped. Anyone across the ring from the Beast is in for the fight of their life.
He's a true alpha male.
Bron Breaker, ready to dominate.
And from Woodstock, Georgia, weighing in at 230 pounds, Bron Breaker.
Absolute power, absolute aggression. This kid's the real deal.
I agree, Cole. He's already more than living up to his family pedigree.
Look at Breaker's face. The intensity of this man is palpable.
Braun looks ready to completely annihilate the opposition. The third man has arrived.
The undisputed leader of the New World Order.
Representing the NWO from Hollywood, California, weighing in at 302 pounds, Hollywood Hogan.
This man changed sports entertainment history on July 7th, 1996.
Oh, that night broke my heart. Hogan turned his back on WCW, his Hulkamaniacs, and all of his allies to form the New World Order. Love it or hate him. Well, I know which one I choose. Hollywood turned his back on the fans, so I'm turning my back on him.
Oh, boo-hoo. Meanwhile, Hogan's filling that Byron Saxton-shaped hole in his heart with championship gold and lots of money. Randy Savage has been called one of the greatest competitors in the history of WWE, and you'll get no argument here.
From Sarasota, Florida, weighing in at 239 pounds, Macho Man Randy Savage.
From championship gold to main event wins, Savage has done it all.
The cream of the crop.
Always rising to the top, oh yeah.
The Macho Man has survived clashes with icons and giants, a truly fearless competitor.
Because Savage understands the magnitude of the moment, and he's not sweating anybody.
Viva la raza!
It's Eddie!
And from El Paso, Texas, weighing in at 228 pounds, Eddie Guerrero.
And without question, one of the most pivotal superstars in the history of our industry.
Now you're right, Byron. A true hero on both sides of the Monday Night Wars. From WCW Cruiserweight Innovator to WWE Champion and Hall of Famer.
Living by the lifelong motto, if you aren't cheating, you aren't trying.
And he tries harder than anyone I've ever seen in the ring. The greatest underdog the world has ever known, Mysterio.
What Ray lacks in size, he more than makes up for in heart. And he is the most recognized luchador in wrestling history. And representing the LWO from San Diego, California, weighing in at 175 pounds, Rey Mysterio!
Rey Mysterio has never, ever been afraid of competition. He's never going to back down. He's the biggest little man in the history of WWE. Tag team tornado match underway. Multiple teams facing off, but there will only be one winner.
Everyone competing at once. You really need to know the status of your partner and every opponent.
Picture perfect crucifix. Oh, great takedown.
Into the cover. You got a little too confident with that one.
When you're in a no disqualification match, it's essential that you unleash your inner brutality. Shoulders down. Oh, wow. Made the save there.
That could have been it. Chicken wing, underhook,
Half suplex. Gosh. A powerbomb like that will leave you with bruises and remind you of this moment for days.
With a series of knee strikes.
Practically never-ending blows coming at full force here.
Malicious fall-away slam.
Was definitely not thinking about finesse with that one. Was only thinking about dominance.
That's not right, but effective. Has to find a way out of this. He's got the shoulders down. But now, back to Brock Lesnar. Watch out, he gets his shoulder up.
Trying to catch him off guard with that attempt.
Our official got caught in the line of fire.
He's in a bad way, but still has something left in the tank.
And he's absorbed some stiff offense already.
And without the option to tag out, he has to really take control of this match.
Well, the most intelligent competitor in battle knows that there are many roads to victory, including the low road.
Everything he can do to create space here. This carry and the crucifix. Combination. It's going to take more than that to keep his shoulders down.
The ref barely started to count.
Oh, did he have the Macho Man scouted?
Springboard. But nobody.
Now check this out. Crucifix applied. This could be a combination. And he easily kicks out a count.
Channeling his energy to stay in this matchup.
That was a showing of control and aggression, something they'll want to keep up.
Not a good spot to be in.
Now that's what you call impact.
Sunset flip. It's incredible the inventiveness we are seeing on display here.
Chopped down with the axe handle.
Oh, you can tell he's feeling it now. This fight is pumping him up.
It goes without saying that there is a certain disdain for your opponent when you pull off something like that.
I'll just leave it at this. Nobody comes into a match hoping to get chopped around like that.
But it's Will the pain be too much? And would you look at that? He just was going to submission.
Maybe he did the damage he meant to do and has something else in mind now. From the top, establishing complete control. And in Guerrero, suplex number 1, but we know what's to come. How about twice? And the trifecta, 3 amigos.
Here's a cover. Could be it. Fights out in 2.
How? Just take a look at the WWE Universe. They know there is no better.
He may get the 3 count right here.
I think so.
No, stops the count at 2.
The fact that these superstars can still be moving at this point is beyond the realm of reality.
We got a cover. Then meanwhile, Lesnar breaks the close count.
Really had less than a second to stay alive there.
And there's the cover. He breaks the pin, keeping his team in this one.
Taking a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's incredible energy.
Getting carried to a vulnerable position here.
And that can keep Hollywood down.
What energy in this arena tonight.
I'm getting goosebumps.
This level of fight is what makes Brock Lesnar an elite superstar.
And after all that water, he still has an end to this battle. And the cover! He gets the kick out after the 1.
It's hard to believe, but it looks like he still has some gas left in the tank.
Eddie with a reversal. Wow, springboard. He may get the 3 count right here. This is it. No, he gets the shoulder up.
How have we not claimed awareness?
Could do it. And it's sealed for James.
Been eliminated.
Blows right to the body. It's 2-on-1. This is it. Breaks the count.
He just won't give up.
Oh, there's a headbutt. He has to be nearly at his breaking point now. Yeah, he's on his back foot now.
How's he going to turn around in his favor?
His path to the sky. And it's Mysterio.
Completely finish things now.
And a kick out and only will cover. Is it enough? And he fights it off.
So close. That could have been it. Look out.
And that was a well-executed attack. Oh, kick right to the gut. And another one. Nice combo.
The height of the knee drop from Macho Man.
Planning something big here.
From the
Elbow drop to the... He thinks he has it. Digging deep for a kick out.
I cannot.
Oh, Brock Lesnar may break the arm. Could he tap out time? Kimura lock is in.
Pain, just pain.
And he's tapping. He has to tap. He has no choice.
And Macho Man's night is over. He's eliminated.
Oh, man.
This could do it. Yeah, no, he doesn't get the 3.
He refuses to stay down.
Pure instinct.
Here we go. Rey Mysterio. Punch lands. And he re-enters into the ring. Driven into the steel steps.
Launched with a belly-to-belly.
Oh, man, he is fired up now.
mix up their opponent.
Sidewalk slam delivered.
Climbing to the top. What's he have in store?
Taking flight.
Whoa, look out. That's going to be... look at Lesner. The Brock lock is applied.
The stretch bumbler's in. Couple of kicks will break it.
Snap power slam.
Eddie Guerrero looking for the submission.
A lasso from it. Ooh, that was sweet. That's how you stop your opponent.
Reigns on the money with a Superman punch.
Back to Lesnar. Look at that.
Will it be? Does he have him here?
Saving his team from defeat.
Right to the spear.
No coming back from Reigns after that. See it. Thanks for coming. Rey Mysterio.
Uh-oh, the beginning of the end. Incoming. There's the leg drop. Can Reigns recover from that? Is it enough? The cover.
2. Reigns falls short. He's eliminated. Slides under the ropes. Back into the ring.
Whoa! Turn that kendo stick into a lawn dart. Face first.
Uncorked a big punch. Loving blow.
Okay, this is just a little bit dirty.
Greco-Roman face rake.
Oh, just gouging the face.
Watch this Herculean power. Deadlift back suplex.
That's a well-targeted attack to the body.
All the adrenaline in the Hulkster's veins is ready to explode.
Scoop slam by Hogan. And here comes the Bandit.
Oh, wow.
Frankensteiner.
Nice.
Big shot taken.
That one's going to leave a wet.
You want this fight on the outside.
Showing off their deadlifting prowess and just tossing their opponent like they're nothing.
Putting some serious wear and tear on that leg. He's not going to be able to pull this off, is he?
Oh,
Is he?
yeah.
That's it. Brock's got this. Cover. 2. That's it. And Guerrero just got eliminated. You gotta respect the strategy to work over the arm. He's leaving the ring now. No countouts to worry about. He connects with a count. Spear!
Hulkster's got to dig deep now.
And now thrown back into the ring. Bron setting himself up top.
And he's only got one thing on his mind right about now.
Oh, did you hear that? Oh, my. Down with authority.
Uh-oh. I wouldn't be getting up if I were him.
Really just laying it in.
And this one might be headed ringside. From the middle rope.
The Hulkster continues to survive. Heading back to the ring.
You are now entering.
Tossed with the German suplex.
Turned it around.
Hollywood Hogan doing what Hollywood does.
Continuing to punish. Will it be?
I think so. Elimination. The last team standing.
superstars in this match.
Yeah, with an elimination match, your number can be up at any moment. But they've managed to outmaneuver all the other competitors here tonight.